made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back.
Hey you guys, so I got this beautiful wig from a company called Yolissa Hair, and I will leave all of the information down below in the description box so you guys could go ahead and check that out. As you saw, my wig came via FedEx, and this is the packaging that you guys will receive. It did come with some care instructions, an elastic band, some wig caps, and what else was in that box? Oh, this pretty bag that you guys can store your wig in. Really cute. I love that they have the logo all over it. So this is the wig, you guys. It is a lace front, and I'm just so excited because I love the texture of this hair. It's so soft. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. So this is the wig that I'm trying on for the first time with you guys. As you can see, the lace is a little light, but that's okay. That can just be resolved with using your powder foundation, or you could just go ahead and tint your lace. So I'm showing you now the parting space, you guys. Like, look how much parting space you get with this wig, and I am not wearing a cap underneath this wig, so that's what your parting space is gonna look like.
If I change my ways, babe, won't you come?
So off camera, I went ahead and adhered this wig to my head using Bold Hold Active. I also went with a middle part because I love this hair and I thought it would just look so pretty, you know, in the middle part instead of swooped over my eyes or anything like that. So here I'm just adding water to flatten down the parting space and also to give the hair a little moisture before I add the mousse. Of course, you guys are going to see on camera I added some baby hairs. I went in on that middle part with my Irresistible Me curling wand, and I also used some powder foundation in the parting space and also a little bit around the perimeter. So that was a lot. I know it sounds like a lot, but as you guys can see, this wig was really effortless. It was nice. There's no crazy smell. It did shed just a little bit, but I think it's because it's so much hair and I was just doing so much cutting. I think that's where that came from. And like I said, I just used some mousse. I'll try to leave the link down below to the mousse that I use. It's from OGX, but yeah, that's a whole nother video. But yeah, I really like that stuff. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all of the information will be down below in the description box. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, you guys. Turn on your notifications. Hit that notification bell twice so you'll be updated on all my videos. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away. It's safe to say, it's almost like you've disappeared, disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me?